Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook very simple dish and affordable. Okay, sardines, miswa patola. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, chicken cubes, and then tomato sauce, water, sardines, patis, the miswa, the patola, the garlic and onion. So, the garlic, onion, and then a little soy sauce, a little salt. So we need only 200 grams. We're gonna add the cubes. Okay. And then guys, we're gonna simmer until it boil. Okay, and we'll be right guys. It's time for the patis guys. Miswa. Naada patola also guys. And then we're gonna simmer for 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay guys. Let's eat. Our sardines miswa patola is done. And it's super yummy guys. And then I'm gonna garnish with spring onions. So I'm gonna off the heat now, and it's tasting time, guys. Guys, that's our sardines. Miswa patola is done. And it's super yummy guys. It's very simple, affordable, and very quick, and it's easy to make. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and then will you please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bro Ja, to my Instagram D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.